In question number 1, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder. That means volume of sphere and volume of cylinder will be same. So let R be the radius of sphere So R value will be 4.2 centimeter. And for cylinder height is also given. So let R and H be radius and height of cylinder. So this R is also given 6 centimeter and height we should find here. And it is given that this sphere, metallic sphere, is melted and recast into shape of cylinder. That means volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. So this is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cylinder means pi r square, capital R square h. So pi only will be cancelled here. So we will substitute all the values. R means 4.2, 4.2, 4.2. This r square means 6 into 6. H we should find. So we can write H as, see, 4 into 4.2, 4.2, 4.2 divided by this 6 into 6 will come in division, and 3 is already there. Now from 6 we can cancel 6 sevens, isn't it? From this we can cancel 6 sevens, and then from 3 we can cancel 3 14s. So now we are left with 4 into 1.4, 0.7, 0.7. So this will give 49, so 0.49. So from 4 we can multiply 1.96. Okay, so 1.96 into 14. So 14 6 are 84, 14 9s are 126, and 8 will be 134. Then 14 ones are, and this will give, so after 2-digit decimal, so 27.44 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. But here 1.4 decimal I forgot, 1.4, so after 3 digit, so it will be 2.744 centimeter. Question 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6, 8 and 10 centimeter are melted to form a single solid sphere. That means volume of all these 3 spheres will be equal to volume of that single solid. So let R1, R2, R3 be radii of 3 solids, and R1 value is given 6, R2 is given as 8, and R3 is given as 10. Okay, and let R be the radius of new solid, new sphere we can say. So R we should find here. Okay, so now since volume of 3 spheres equals to volume of new sphere, we can write. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 cube, and here 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi we can take cancel, we can take common. R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube, and here this 4 by 3 will be cancelled. So now we'll substitute the values. So values are 6 cube, 8 cube, and this is 10 cube, R cube. So 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube means 1000. Okay, that means we got here for 6 to 8, then 2, 7, 1 is equal to R cube. So what is this cube root of 1728? That is 12 centimeter. Therefore radius of new sphere is 12 centimeter. In question number 3, it is given that a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug. Okay, so this well is in cylindrical shape, isn't it? So 7 meter in diameter and 20 meter deep means height. So this is dug, and the earth from this digging is evenly spread to form a platform. So we know platform is cuboidal in shape. So for this, length is given as 22 and breadth is given 14. So height of this platform we should find. So what we can write, volume of this will be equal to volume of this. That means volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. So first we will suppose all the dimensions here. So let R and H be radius and height of cylinder or cylindrical well, we can write. So R is diameter is 7, so R is 7 by 2 and height is 20. Okay, and let L and B be length, L, B and H be length, breadth and height of cuboidal platform, also we can write cuboidal platform. So L value is given 22 meter and B is 14 meter. Since volume of cylindrical well is equal to volume of cuboidal platform, that means cylindrical well means pi r square h, and this is L into B into this, we should suppose capital H. Okay, so this H we should find. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 7 by 2, 7 by 2, H is 20, L is 22, B is 14. This capital H we should find here. So 1 7 will go with this, 1 and 2 will go with 10. So what we can write capital H as 11 into 7 into 10 divided by 22 into 14. See, 11 2s are 22, then 2 5s are will go, isn't it? Then 7 2s are 14, then 5 by 2 only will remain. 5 by 2 means 2.25 meter is the height of the cuboidal platform. In question 4, it is given that a a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Earth taken out of it has been spread evenly. So this well is cylindrical in shape. Okay, and here it is 3 meter in diameter. This is question 4. 3 meter in diameter and height is 14 meter. Okay, earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around in the shape of circular ring. Ring is there, and width 4 meter to form an embankment. So see, embankment is also cylindrical in shape, but the thing is it is hollow in nature. It is ring shaped. Ring shape means this is hollow. So this width is given. Okay, so this width is given as 4 meter. So now find the height of the embankment. This height we should find here. So volume of both the figures will be equal. Okay, so what we can write? Volume of, first we will suppose dimension. Let R and H be radius and height of well, cylindrical well also we can say. R is 3/2 and H is 14. Since diameter is 3, so R will be 3/2. Now here it is given that this volume we should find. Okay, so inner radius is 3/2. Inner radius is 3/2 and outer radius, see this is inner radius will be 3/2, outer radius will be 3/2 plus 4 because thickness is 4. So 3/2 plus 4 means 11/2. So here we will write, let capital R1, small r1 and height be outer radius, inner radius and height of embankment. Okay, so what we can write here? Volume of well, and here all the values also we can write, isn't it? R1 we got as 11/2 and R1 is 3/2 and height we should find here. So volume of well is equal to volume of embankment so pi r square h, and for this volume pi outer volume minus inner volume, isn't it? So pi r1 square h minus pi r1 square h. So pi h we can take common. So r1 square minus small r1. Pi we can take cancel, isn't it? So now h we should find, capital H we should find. So h, capital H will be r square h by r1 square minus r1 square. Now we will do the calculation. First substitute the value. This is 3/2 into 3/2. H is 14. R1 minus R2 means 11/2 minus 3/2 and 11/2 plus, using identity we can write. So now capital H is, see this from 7 we can cancel. So 3 into 3 into 7/2 whole divided by 11 minus 3 means 8/2. 8/2 means 4. And here 14/2. 14/2 means 7. So now this 7 will go. Okay. So 3 3s are 9/4 2s are 8 we can write. So now from 8 we can cancel 8 1s are, then 1 will remain, again 8 1s are 8, then 2 will remain, so 8 2s are 16, then 8 5s are, so 1.1125 meter is the height of embankment. Question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder. Okay, height is given, diameter is 12, height is 15, is full of ice cream. Ice cream is to be filled into cones of height. So cones also, ice cream cone. Height is given 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. This diameter is 6 centimeter. Having a hemispherical shape on the top. So this shape is, this height is given 12. Okay. Now having a hemispherical shape on the top, find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So what we can write, number of cones means number of volume of ice cream in this divided by volume of ice cream in one cone. Okay, so for this volume of this we should find and volume of this. For ice cream cone we should find volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So first we'll find volume of cylindrical container. So let R and H be radius and height of container. So R is, see, diameter is 12, so R will be 6, H is 15. So volume of container will be pi R square H. So pi, no need to substitute pi value. R square is 6 square into 15. So this will be 36 into 15 pi. 540 pi centimeter cube is the volume of container. Now volume of ice cream cone will be volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So what is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi R square. So for this R is, diameter is 6. Okay, so R is 3. So 3 square into H is 12. Volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3 pi. R is same, 3 square. 3 cube will come. 2 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, now one by 3 we can take, 1 by 3 pi we can take common. 1 by 3 square we can take common. So 12 plus 2 into 3 will remain. Now this 3 will be cancelled with 3. So 18. So answer is 54 pi. So now volume of, number of cones will be volume of ice cream in container divided by volume of ice cream in one cone, one ice cream cone. So that we got as 540 pi and this is 54 pi. So answer is 10.